To Sun Simulation Online Mathematics class. We have a problem on the board. It's a complex number problem, and we are asked to solve this if z is equal to 1 over 2 plus 3i plus 1 over 1 minus 2i. Express z in form of a plus bi. Now, the a plus bi, this part of it is the real part, and this is the imaginary part. It's called the imaginary part. Now, before we get to this problem, let us take a look at the value of the form minus root of 16. Now, this value can never have a real number because of this minus sign. So mathematicians has introduced a value as minus 1. So I can write this as the square root of minus 1 times 16. With this now, I can have the square root of 16, where minus 1 is represented as I. So I can write this as this is equal to what? 4i, where I is equal to the square root of minus 1. Okay, that's how the I is introduced in complex number. Now, having said that, now let us get to this problem. Now I can write this as 1 all over 2 plus 3i plus 1 all over 2 minus 1 minus 2i. Okay, now taking the LCM is the product of the denominator, so I can write 2 plus 3i into 1 minus 2i. If I use this to divide this can cancel this will remain. So I have 1 minus 2i, okay, plus, if I use this to divide this can cancel out this. I have 2 plus 3i. So if I evaluate this, what will I have? This is equal to 1 plus 2, okay, will give me 1 plus 2 will give me 3. Then minus 2i plus this will give me plus I, okay, because minus 2i plus 3i, if you subtract, take the sign of the biggest number, 1 plus i. Now divided by, now here I have to open the bracket. What do? I multiply, okay, I multiply the denominator. This times this will give me 2, okay, this times this will give me minus 4i, okay, this times this will give me plus 3i, okay, and this times this will give me plus 6, because plus minus is minus, but I square will give me plus I plus 1, so it will give me plus 6. Okay, now what do? I have something like this. This is equal to 3 plus I all over 2 plus 6 is what? 8. Minus 4i plus 3i will give me minus I. So I have this as this 3 plus I over 8 minus I. Now this is not the final answer. For me to express the whole of this as a plus bi, I have to evaluate this by taking the conjugate of this denominator. What I mean by the conjugate of the denominator is to simply change this sign to a positive sign, okay, and